Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Southeast Cape Coral, the Yacht Club area, and I have this beautiful home here to show you. As you can see, today is a beautiful day. This is what Florida is all about. Check out the beautiful palms on the back. Check out the palms down the street. And it's a beautiful day today. Temperature is probably like 90. It's actually like 12 o'clock right now, so it's starting to get hot. And I got this beautiful home here to show you. If you're thinking about moving to Cape Coral, retire here, this could be the perfect home for you. It's Gulf Access, and it hovers a lot. It's a very cute home, okay? So first I'm gonna go inside and show you around the home, and then we'll go outside and I'll show you the Gulf Access, okay? So let's start here. We have a one-car garage. The home has approximately 1,540 square feet under air. Okay, has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's a very open concept, and it's turnkey. Okay, so that's a good thing here. Turnkey, you don't have to just bring your toothbrush here. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, as you come in, you're welcome with the open space. Very open concept. Got here. And another nice thing is, as soon as you open the door, you get to see your canal. Okay, let's say you have a boat, you'll be able to see your boat in your canal. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's first take a look around the kitchen. Here you got like a small desk. I think the cabinet's made out of maple. It's very nice. And over here you got your refrigerator. Then over here you have your oven. Check it out. Very nice island here to entertain. A lot of space. So this is one of the things I like more about the home here. This beautiful sink. Not the sink itself, but the view that you have from your sink. Check out this window. Beautiful view of the canal. Over here you got your dishwasher, your range, and your microwave. And over here you have your little area to have your breakfast in the morning, your dinner, your lunch. Okay, so let's take a look from this angle here so we visualize how nice this home is. Very comfy. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom since we're here. Here's your closet. And this is the master bedroom. And also you have a beautiful view of the canal from the bed. Imagine waking up at this every morning. Stand over here so you can visualize the size. And also you have the 2 sliders that lead out to the lanai. Okay, now let's take a look at the master bathroom. And over here you got your walk-in shower. This home is ready to move in. You don't even have to buy the furniture. So if you're thinking of making it into a timeshare, you're thinking about coming during the winter and just spending your cold months down here, it's great. If you get a boat, you can put it out there and just, maybe buy one or rent one, and you could have it outside ready for you to go. And I can tell you, you're not too far from the Gulf here. It's very close. And over here you have bedroom number 2. And as you can see, it has a very big slider here that gives you a beautiful view of your canal. very bright. Over here you got closet over there at the end. Over here's your guest bathroom. Check this out. Sorry about that. Here's your shower. And over here is bedroom number 2. Actually number 3, I went through 2 already. Okay, so as you can see, big size, nice size bedroom. That's the nice thing about these older homes, that you tend to have bigger rooms. I forgot to tell you the year. This home is 1965. But as you can see, they have done a lot of upgrade on it, a lot. So let me show you the garage before we go outside. The garage is a 1-car garage, but it has a lot of space here. It's not like a miniature 1-car garage. You have actually, see, you got the door and then you got the wall over here. And that's where your washer's here. And you could have put the dryer here, but they went ahead and put the dryer over there for some reason. And the other thing, nice thing here, that you have a door that goes outside, so you could take out the trash through here. So you don't have to go through the back door or the front door. It's nice that you don't have to open the big door to take the trash out. So that's pretty cool. You also have a nice window that brings a lot of brightness inside the garage. Okay, here's your water heater. So now let's go ahead and take a look outside and check out what he offers outside. Okay, we're out. Has a very nice lanai here. Check how big this place is. Look at that. Oh, let me adjust the camera because it's gonna be too bright. Sorry about that. So check this out. Very nice lanai, big. And I like the design on the ceiling here. Very 1968. That's what gives it a little bit of a charm. This home is, even though it has been upgraded, but actually the charm still here. It's very cute, very comfortable. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look outside. Okay, over here, as you can see, you have a lot of landscape here. A lot of area. If you want to put a pool, it's perfect. Just check out the space that you have here. And let's walk over to the dock. Check this out. You got these 2 hoists over here. Check out this canal here. I love it. Look at that coconut tree there. You got these beautiful palms. Very cute home. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this tour. If you'd like more information, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate in Southwest Florida for over 20 years, and we would love to help you out on this property or any property out there that you might need some help. Okay, so if you'd like to know the price, feel free to scan the barcode or go in the description below. You have a link that will take you to the full report. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, and remember, if you like to see more homes like this and more about Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and please like and share this video. It will really help me with the algorithm. So thank you for watching. from a beautiful day here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral Yacht Club area. See you on the next tour.